Hey friends, Lauren Ellerman here. I'm an attorney in Roanoke, Virginia. I do medical malpractice, but today I'm here talking about some of our business litigation cases that we take, and specifically sort of what's going on with all of the thousands of Virginians that are now working from home. So if you're working from home this week, it's scary. I know I have a 7-year-old who I'm having mini Hogwarts classes with at home, trying to get work done as well as be a good parent and teach her a little bit of education throughout the next month. But one of the things I would suggest, and I was talking to my partner Dan about it today, and try not to touch my face, we're not supposed to do that. One of the things that I would suggest is while you're working from home, pull out your employment contract and read it. 90% of employees in Virginia companies do have employment contracts. And you need to be prepared probably for the worst situation economically. I'm not an economist, but it doesn't look good for the next couple months. And you need to know, can you be fired without cause? Can you be fired without 30 days notice? Do you have a non-compete? Are you able to go and work for someone else on the side? And I will tell you, I think most employees trust their companies, and so they sign what has been put in front of them without ever having an attorney or professional look at it. And so they're really shocked when someone does fire them, or say they can't do their side gig, or shocked when someone says, hey, no notice, you're fired starting today. And so what I'd like to do is lessen the shock. Pull out your employment contract today if you can and read it. And you're going to see some terms in there, the first of which is at-will employee. Well, unfortunately, an at-will employee means that you can be fired for any reason at any time in the Commonwealth of Virginia. And sometimes your contract may have language that says at-will employee, but you're also a term employee, which means you have to work for a year or 2 years, and they have to give you 30 days notice or 60 days notice before they terminate you. Well, it really requires a close reading of that contract to see if they have to give you notice to fire you. What if the business closes? What if it's furloughed? What if these are all things that you need to be prepared for, and I would encourage you to look at your contract today. Now, while you're at home, you may be reminded, oh gosh, I do have a non-compete. So if something bad happens to me, if they fire me, is the non-compete in fact enforceable? And probably it is under Virginia law, as well as the terms of the contract. So you want to be looking for that. And because we are kind of siloed in our office this week, we don't have clients coming in, we are giving out, we have this book that we wrote. It's backwards, obviously, but it's called How to Beat Your Virginia Noncompete. My partner Dan and I wrote it years ago. That's the second edition, and it's free. And if you just email me your mailing address, I will stick it in the mail to you. This is not a post where I'm trying to make money. This is a post where I'm trying to say, hey, we're all in this together. We are all scared. We are all nervous. We are all worried about what next steps are. We're all worried about what our employment situation will be, what our financial situation will be. And maybe I'm not even going to say it's a blessing. Maybe the silver lining of this is if we all have to take a step back and take a deep breath and reevaluate where we are, it will give us time to get a little bit better prepared for next time, including understanding what our employment rights and restrictions are, including reading our contracts. So send me an email. My email address is Ellerman, Ellerman @frithlawfirm.com. I'll put it in the note to this post. You don't even have to send me a name. Just shoot me a mailing address, and I will stick these books in the mail. We have a couple hundred copies. I'll send as many as we need to folks, so that while you're working from home, you can do a little sort of work on your career and work on your employment contract and make sure that you understand what's going on. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call. All of our contact information is here on Facebook or the website. But I know this week I'm taking stock and evaluating sort of where things are financially, where we are job security-wise and business-wise and all of those things. And if you find that you're a little nervous about your employment situation, get out your contract today and look at it. And if you need anyone's help in understanding what it means, let us know. Wish you guys all the best. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay at home, and I'm going to just wish you blessings over the next couple months. Thanks.